any issues you guys are having regarding your outfits or your looks or your posture, your body language, we can, deal it here right now. Yeah, Jenny.
Hello, ma'am. Yes, in fact, my posture and how I should walk.
Sit straight, sweetheart, first of all. Let me see your posture. You talking to me like this, the posture is already gone.
Yeah.
So understand, girls. Okay, that's a very good thing, Jenny, that you've come up with. Remember one thing, you have to sit on a chair every day. It's like a practice that you guys will be doing. You have to sit on a chair, spine straight. You will not take a back support. Okay, and you practice of being uncomfortable.
Yes.
Okay, yes, so that we can improve our posture, right? If you are uncomfortable, then you can achieve. If I say I have to sit like this and talk like this and my posture becomes okay, no, it's not going to be okay. I have to be uncomfortable. I have to keep my spine straight. And when I'm saying about the spine, then your shoulders should be rolled back. You have to roll back your shoulder. This is a practice that you guys will be doing. Roll back, spine straight, and you have to sit like this for at least 10 to 15 minutes every day. Okay? Now, body language also plays an important role. When you're walking on the stage, and even if you are somewhere inside, you're doing practicing and you're doing your dance practice or any other rehearsals, anything that you're doing, remember, every move is noticed. Every move when you are in that particular area, every move is noticed. Okay, so you have to take care of your every little move that you make. It means from today I have to start my body language, my posture, my voice, how I speak, what I speak. Is it important for me to speak? Because you will be under a radar, okay? You will be under a radar. We will be noticing you there everywhere. No matter even if you're in the hotel room. Just kidding. No, not in the room though. But yes, you have to take care of yourself. Your body language is very important. Your eye contact is really important. When you walk on the stage, we don't walk like this. We don't look down and walk. We don't look up and walk. We have to look straight in the eye of people. You have to have the eye contact with everybody who's sitting there so that they can understand, they can feel you, that you have that confidence. And remember one thing, confidence will not come in a minute. No, it won't come like that. Your outfit should speak. Your makeup should speak. Your look should speak. Your skin should speak. Your posture should speak. The way you stand should speak. If any one ingredient is gone out of it, the confidence comes down. So whatever you're doing, understand, body language is 55%, okay? So whatever you're doing, start practicing yourself. We call it fake it till you make it. You just have to put that soul inside you that, oh, I'm already a winner. And start behaving like that. The grace, the elegance. Okay, please, mic, mute. I can see the number, but okay, thank you. Okay, so body language, your chin placement when you are walking on the stage or not on the stage, your chin placement is really important. It has to be parallel to the ground. Okay, it cannot go up, it cannot go up, it cannot go down. It has to be parallel to the ground. So there are 2-3 things that you need to take care of. The distance between your earlobes and your shoulders is important for a body language. Okay, why? If my earlobes are here, my shoulders are here, and I walk like this, obviously it's not going to make impact, right? If I walk like this, it's not going to make impact. But the moment the distance becomes okay, the body language becomes okay. Okay? Hi, Kanika. Switch on the mic, sweetheart. Okay. Are you understanding what I'm saying, Kanika?
Yeah.
Yeah? Sure. Thank you. Okay. Mic off. And I'm going to see you all there. And we will have a session there too. And I will see everyone, how you guys are. Jenny, how your posture is. I'm going to check everything, and we will have like an hour or two session over there too, so that I can be there with you, and just guide you. But till then, there are a few things that you need to do. See, I'm not giving you a lot of homework. I'm just seeing those groups. There are a lot of things that you guys have to do. I'm sorry for that, but I'm not going to give you all that. It's something that it's in you, okay? Understand? It's in you. You don't have to learn it. You just have to find it. If I'm talking about posture, then dude, I cannot sit like this. I cannot stand like this. I have to be, put together. And the moment you're put together, the confidence level goes high. And pageant is all about confidence and grace. Right? Your clarity, the way you speak and the way you're carrying yourself, the clarity has to be there. So try working on every detail of you. Are you groomed well? Or is it just, a month pehle I'll start working on my nails or on my skin or on my lips. Get everything done. Get into the practice. It's a lifestyle. And it's not about you winning the pageant or not, but you will be having a beautiful version of you ahead if you start doing all this from today itself. Right? So whoever wants to get the aesthetics done, please go ahead. A good skin, please take care of your skin. Your, very, very little things that you need to take about nails, the smell of your body, that's a big turn off. Please take care of that. Hair colors is really very important. Okay? Hair color should be according to your skin tone. You shouldn't be going totally opposite. Yes, Ashna, please check your hair color. Is it okay? Okay, so when we are warm skin tone, we go for warm hair colors. We don't go for cool ones. And if somebody has black hair color, please get into brown tones. I'm not saying, ash color, but at least go into chocolate browns or burgundies so that your face looks vibrant. Black can make you look dull and old. Okay, so please go into browns, and then please start doing your proper skincare. And that, as I said, fake it till you make it. Start living that life from today. Start having that I am Miss or Mrs. Okay, and believe me, you will see energies changing inside, and you will walk like that, you'll talk like that, you'll have that poise in your body. But if you say that one fine day I get up in the August and I'll be on the stage, it's not going to work. It's not going to work. So your voice is important. The way you carry yourself is important. Vibita, it's really important the way you carry yourself, what hair color, your face shapes, your dental. Please, Man is here. Sorry, Man is here. Come. Hi, how are you? बहुत बढ़िया से बताओ. We already started. Come. बहुत बढ़िया. This is now first. आ जाओ. तुसी इधर आ जाओ. ओए. आज मेरा मुंडा भी नहीं आज. कोई नहीं. So Man is here.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello,
Hi,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Let me start here, मेरा था. So that's what
Hello.
we were
Hello.
discussing. Yeah, Manju हो गई. Hi. Okay. So that's what we were discussing. That please start working on the little details that you have and what kind of look that you will be carrying. Are you having that grace? Please, there's one thing that you guys can do. Okay, that is you record yourself. We call it 3 hours. Okay, 3 hours. You record yourself, you review yourself, and then you rate yourself. So how this works is you will record yourself walking with the grace, with the elegance, with confidence, with clarity. And you'll place your phone somewhere, the camera somewhere, and you will record yourself. Then what will you do? Maybe a 1-minute video. Then you have to review yourself. Now, how would you review yourself? See, you've recorded the video, right? Now you will review, you'll keep your phone here and you will hear the voice of your heel. Tick tock, tick tock. Okay? Then you'll bring your phone here, put your phone on mute and see the body language and posture and elegance and clarity and confidence. And then you have to rate yourself out of 10. Please don't rate yourself 10, 9, 8, 7. Don't do that, because when I'll come there, I'll be seeing these videos, okay? And I want that you start from 0 and then come only till 7. Okay? Don't give yourself 10. That's overconfidence. I don't want you guys to go there. But do this practice every single day. 3 hours, okay? Remember these 3 hours. You have to do it. And sitting straight, spine straight, ear lobe and shoulder, as I told you, your chin. Rest your outfits. Everybody speaks English or Hindi? हाँ. So हम जो भी लैंग्वेज में बात करेंगे वहां पर हम कॉन्फिडेंट रहेंगे. ठीक है? ठीक है? अपने हेयर कलर्स पे ध्यान दीजिए, अपने ब्राउ शेप्स. Your brow shapes are really important to give that aesthetic look to your face. Please, 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 you have to take care of the brows. I'll send some pictures in the group so that you can trim it down according to you. Okay? And please start making mood board for yourself. Mood board in the sense that, you know, when I'm going for a rehearsal, I will be wearing this. Because as I told you, the day you land there, the day you land into the venue, you will be under a radar. We will be checking every detail of you. It's not just you present yourself on the stage and we give you marks or we make you something. No, we will check each and every detail of you from the day one. Cool? Over to you. Bas? ठीक है girls, any issue, anything you want to know more? Yeah, Rohini?
Yeah, I had a query. I wanted to understand that the outfit, there was something in the mail about the outfits, the first mail that I got from Pooja. So I wanted to understand what all the outfits we have to bring. I had a little confusion on this one.
That we will be putting in the PPT and just wait for a while. You'll get all the information for that. Don't worry about it.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, that's all, because you were saying that I must know how to carry myself in the outfits. So I just wanted to have a little idea about that.
Yeah, I'm saying even for the rehearsals, Virat.
Yeah.
I'm saying when you're landing there. I'm saying when you enter the hotel.
Yeah.
Let's not just step to the 20th stair. Let's start from the 0. Because you will be under the radar for me at least. If not for Man, but for me, I'll be checking each and every detail. Even the lingerie that you guys are wearing. Trust me, I'll do that. Okay, I'm very bad. So I'll be checking even your lingerie. And anybody has an issue about anything, you're free to ask in the group. I'll answer there.
Hi, ma'am.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah, really overwhelmed by your presence.
Thank you so much.
I'm really inspired by you.
Thank you,
I
Kanika.
follow you.
Thank you.
Actually, I have a query. I want to know, when I'm walking on the stage, do I need to smile or do I need to look like a robot or just
Be
what?
yourself.
Okay.
See, understand, anywhere you go in the world,
Yeah.
only one thing is
Mhm.
acceptable.
Yeah.
That is, you need to be pleasant.
Present. Yeah.
I cannot be robot. I need to be pleasant so the other person gets the vibe from me.
Yeah.
I cannot,
Mhm.
I need to have a smile.
Yeah.
A 3-degree smile, a 4-degree smile. Not this, but
Not like this. Yeah.
just a pleasing smile. Yeah, which is good.
A
Which
pleasant
you
one.
should have. Yeah. Your personality should be pleasant no matter what, wherever you are. Any pageant,
Mhm.
but you need to be pleasant, actually. Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. And thank you so much, Kanika, for asking that. Anybody else?
I have a
I have a
question.
Yeah, Ravneet.
Okay, let Keetana go first. She had her hand up.
No, it's okay. It's okay. You can go first.
Go
It's
ahead.
fine.
Go ahead.
All right. Hi. My question is, you were mentioning about the nails and you were mentioning about the outfits. So when we're sending you or recording the practice videos, is there a particular outfit you want to wear? Plus, the second question was, when we are coming for the pageant, is there a specific color that you're going to mention that we have to do our nails in, or do we just do whatever we like? Is there like a specific one that you prefer?
You're asking about when you practicing what kind of outfit you should wear? Is that the question?
Yes, there's
First
that.
question?
Yeah.
Yes. So
Yes.
then it should be one short skirt, a body type, okay, and then a gown, again a
Okay.
bodycon, okay.
Okay.
So these two outfits are mandatory when you're practicing and making videos, because these are the kind of outfit that you will be wearing there, right, man?
Denim.
Yeah. Then
Glam. And you do consider this, I think, which ladies is very comfortable with shorts में.
अच्छा.
उनके लिए भी denims भी है.
Okay, denims bhi hai, so you can wear denims too, but make sure
Wearing the glam on t-shirts.
and wearing the glam on t-shirts, but make sure whatever denim that you're choosing is always according to the body type you're in. If you have heavy thighs, please don't go for the lighter shades. Yeah, the dark blue denim goes really well with everyone, so I would suggest if that. And the second question was, I'm so sorry, the nails.
The nails,
See,
yeah.
I'll tell you one thing. As I started the video, I said it's all about grace, it's all about elegance, right? So we should be neutral in our nails.
Okay.
Neutral, not loud. Something which catches the attention could be good and could be worse too at a time.
Mm-hmm.
So when we are neutral all over, only my confidence speaks and few words speaks, that makes sense.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah? Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, Ravneet, do you have a question?
Ma'am, thank you so much for all your insights. I really wish we had these insights prior to making the videos,
Oh.
because I am a super novice person. I come from a corporate world. I have no idea about the pageant world. It's all new to me.
This is also the first time.
Yeah, but like when I started looking at different videos that people were putting up, I was like, okay, I had no clue that this was the kind of the video that we were expecting. So, and having this conversation right now, I know you said that deadline is deadline and everything, but I really want to ask if there is a possibility of having a take once more, because now that you've told me so many things and again, you said you record it and you review it. I've already reviewed it, right? But now I'm rating it. Okay, this was probably wrong and that was probably wrong.
आपके लिए मैंने परमिशन ले ली है रवनीत, तुसी कर
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
You can do
No,
it.
honestly, I'm right now. I can feel okay. Maybe I was not standing in the right posture, but I'm just contemplating at this point.
Yeah.
And I really wish कि every video है, if we would have had this prior, it would have been a great guidance as well as some food for everyone to be able to understand what we need to deliver.
See, Ravneet, I'll tell you one thing. It's very simple funda of life, okay? Wherever you want to enter the room and you want to own the room, first the thing is that you have to own yourself. Okay, we cannot copy anybody or get influenced by someone and do it the same way. I have to own myself. I have to go deep down inside me and check what exactly I am. Aishwarya Rai could have a different walk, Sushmita could have a different walk, Harnaaz Sandhu could have a different walk. They have a different identities, right? So you need to check and feel that who am I? So see, you've entered the pageant. It's not just for winning. Trust me, pageants are more for self-love. Pageants are finding yourself. Pageants are, dreaming. We were dreaming something about it. I'm going to live my dream now. And in this journey, in this process, what happens? You see the best version of you. Right? So it's just, don't take it as a pressure. Oh, sabne itna acha kar liya, main to reh gayi piche, main tak kuch nahi hoya. Don't worry at all. बहुत कुछ होएगा, but just be yourself. But I have judged Feminas too. Okay, I was there. I saw talent, everything was on stage. But the girl that I chose, I felt that she was herself. She was not trying to be Aishwarya Rai. She was not talking like Sushmita Sen. She was her.
Yeah, I think my video was just me only, but I don't know how to put it.
No, that's okay. We give you another chance, Ravneet.
मैम मे भी थोड़ा सा फीडबैक भी दे रहे कि की गलती
देखनी हले तक का वीडियो में देख के
मैं भी हजे नहीं देखी है। मेरे को आंदी है, मैं देख के फिर दस दिया। ठीक है,
don't worry sweetheart.
Thank you. Well, because जो तुसी कह रहे थे ना कि your chin should be the ground level, or you should be
parallel to the ground level.
Focus. Yeah, and these are little technical things that I am unaware of, and I'm not sure if everyone else knows them or not, but at least I'm unaware because I'm new to all these things.
No problem.
So ਚੰਗੀ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਨਹੀਂ ਬਣੀ ਹੈ ਨਾ, ਆਪਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਦੁਬਾਰਾ ਸੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਗਾਈਡ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ, ਦੁਬਾਰਾ ਤੋਂ ਦੇਖ ਆਈਆਂ ਤੇ ਮੈंने 2-3 ਵੀਡੀਓਜ਼ ਦੇਖੀ, ਮੈਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਸੰਦ ਆਈਆਂ ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪੂਜਾ ਕਾਲ ਕਰੇਗੀ ਤੇ ਅਗੇਨ ਨੂੰ ਦੁਬਾਰਾ ਬਣਾ ਕੇ ਨਾ ਉਸੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਟਾਈਮ ਮਿਲ ਜਾਏਗਾ, ਕੋਈ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਨਹੀਂ। ਠੀਕ ਹੈ
ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਸੋ ਮਚ ਮੈਮ।
ਚਲੋ, how nice. Anybody else has any question or any query? Yes, Ashna.
Hi, ma'am. This is Ambi. Hi, everyone. Good to see everyone here. So happy to be a part of this journey. So my question is how many rounds and what type of, the rounds are going to be in that pageant one. So
you get the whole information very soon for that. So don't worry about that. They'll share everything with you on that. So you don't worry about that.
Okay, so that's something which is going in the back of my mind.
Suspense has to be there. Let it be suspense, and then we just give it to you.
Yeah. So
just wait for a while. You'll get everything. Yeah.
Sure. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, Ashna, you have something.
Well, hello there. Hello from Mauritius. I am very pleased to welcome you all soon from Mauritius. And hello, ma'am. Hello. And my question is, are we going to have a bikini walk or anything like that for the day, for the pageant?
Not bikini walks.
No.
Say, but then you're comfortable and then you're person. Otherwise,
we don't have a bikini shoot, but if you're comfortable, we will be having it in a shoot. If you want to go ahead with it, please go ahead. I can accompany.
Okay. Yeah.
Don't worry.
I have participated. Yes, in Mauritius, I have participated in 2 pageants already. So I have been the second runner-up in one and the winner in the second one. So we didn't have any bikini walk till now. So that's why I'm a bit.
We don't have either. We don't have either.
Okay.
Don't worry.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because my family is very conservative, so that's why.
No problem. Don't worry about that, sweetheart. Yeah. You're sorted.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so bye-bye from now. Bye-bye.
Okay.
Anybody else? Bas?
Just one question, if you have time.
Hanji, please.
Just regarding the walk practice, because I was watching the videos of some all pageants, I can see that the walks are different with the evening gowns and some, when they were wearing the denim with the tops, it's a different walk. So what kind of walk do you want us to practice? Is it an evening gown one or a sari round one or a...
You will be doing online classes with the girl who will be teaching you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And over there, see, obviously we have a different walk when we're wearing a short dress, different walk when we wear denims, and gown, we have a totally different walk. Okay? And it's even about in the speed also of the walk. So just wait for a while. She will be taking your classes and she'll teach you everything, the online one.
Right. Yeah.
Okay.
Good to see you both. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. I'm going to see you super soon there.
Sorry.
Babita.
Looking forward to watching everyone and seeing everyone in person.
Thank you. Yeah, Babita. Babita has something.
Yes. I was saying just a second what Ravneet said. Would we all get feedback on an introduction video? Because I would really like to know my posture as well. So we can get the mistakes.
See, you will get
Ma'am,
it when I come there.
You have no idea कि every class, I think every class, no, task to be पहले हो जानी चाहिए. All of us are, I think I'm speaking on behalf of everyone. Please don't get offended. But I think everyone is a novice. सानू नहीं पता सी की करना है. Because task पढ़ के तो सिर्फ इतना ही समझ आया सिर्फ वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करनी है. उसमें posture देखना है उसमें which.
It is important for your posture. Your spine is important. Everything is important. Your eye contact is important. So मैं अपनी तरफ से I can do one thing, and I'm not even asking one right now. I give you all this chance to make it again if you want to. Okay, but we give you 1 week.
Yeah,
we give you one week, and till then 3 hours posture, sit as whatever I've taught you, get into the practice and make it. And for 1 week, you keep making it. And the end of the week, like the 7th day, you make the final one and send it. Yeah, Rohini.
The video that I sent that day, so Diljit sent me that it's very nice. So
then you're good. Then you're good. So I just said that. I said that if you want to, we give you the chance. Yeah.
So in the meantime, I can send you the video for the ones that you just told me, the 3 hours one.
No, that is for you, sweetheart. That's not for me.
Oh.
That is for your review. It's record, review and grade. You will be doing that for yourself. I'll come there, then I'll watch the videos individually.
But I can share one with you just for the first one.
You can. No problem.
Just wanted to, once you get an idea, then you can work on the rest ones.
Done. Chalo, see you then, and hopefully we'll have another class somewhere and anytime soon. Until then, you take care of yourself all, and please keep practicing. Don't give up. डरना नहीं है, मैं यहाँ हूँ. Okay, so you don't have to be scared. I'm here. When I'll meet you all, we'll have a party and a good time together. Okay, till then, take care of yourself. God bless. Bye bye. See you.
Thank you.
Bye.